We have to say, it is truly impressive what Tesla's achieved in just 2 years with Optimus. From a person dancing in a spandex suit to a bot that's increasingly useful and capable of handling a wide range of tasks, it's amazing to see him serving drinks, cleaning the kitchen, or performing other duties in demo videos at the Tesla factories. However, in today's episode, we want to focus more on Optimus's ability to charge itself automatically. You might not believe it, but Optimus only takes 10 minutes to fully charge. Once charged, it automatically resumes its tasks. Achieving this is no small feat, but Tesla has done it. They've mastered autonomous charging with both Cybercab and now a humanoid robot. This is the future. Discover it now, and welcome to evtech. Before we begin, please help us reach 125 subscribers. It'll be a huge motivation for us to keep bringing you episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Thank you. In its current Gen 2 version, Optimus robot is known to operate continuously for 8 to 10 hours before needing a recharge. Its runtime depends on the tasks it performs. If it moves more, carries heavy loads, or performs frequent motions, the battery will drain faster. On the other hand, if it stays stationary for tasks without handling significant loads, the battery lasts longer. The ability to recharge in 10 minutes means Optimus can work for many hours a day with minimal downtime. This is a stark contrast to many robots that often run out of energy before completing their tasks, which understandably is something most people dislike. With the Tesla bot's battery pack, you might assume that a runtime of at least 8 hours requires a big battery. We thought so too, but Tesla took a different approach. They set up Optimus with a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, a relatively small capacity. While it's larger than the batteries in some other humanoid robots, it's still modest compared to what Tesla could have utilized given its vast battery resources. Elon's even acknowledged that the batteries used in Tesla EVs could also power robots. However, Tesla opted for a smaller battery pack to keep Optimus lightweight, allowing it to move faster and maintain a lower cost. A bigger battery would have made the robot heavier, slower, and more expensive. So instead of using a bigger battery pack to extend operating time, Tesla opted to equip its robot with the company's best battery technology, the 4680 battery. This is Tesla's highest energy density battery, typically reserved for premium vehicles, most notably Cybertruck. Thanks to the 4680 battery's powerful energy output, Optimus can go for longer durations without increasing weight. Optimus Gen 2 right now weighs about 138 pounds. The 4680 battery offers not just higher energy density, but also incredibly fast charging speeds. When paired with a relatively small 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, it's no surprise Optimus can fully recharge in 10 minutes. To compare, a Tesla Model Y with an 81 kilowatt-hour battery pack takes a half hour to charge fully, so a battery 35 times smaller, naturally, it charges much faster. Additionally, we were amazed by Optimus's wireless charging capability, something we had not anticipated. At first, we assumed it would work like Tesla's EVs, requiring users to plug it in when the battery runs low. However, Tesla surprised us with this innovation, further enhancing the convenience and futuristic appeal of Optimus. But Cybercab and Tesla Bot may just be the beginning of Optimus's wireless charging technology. Watching Optimus charge itself, we dare say this is the most reasonable method. When charging a robot, you want it in low power mode, meaning relaxing all its muscles, kind of like us humans. Therefore, you could leave the robot lying on a flat surface or hang it with a charger as Tesla's done. But lying flat takes up a bunch of space. Thus, the only reasonable method is to suspend the robot with a charger so that the bot can turn off all the motors and electronic devices to stand and maintain balance. This method requires parking skills with precise vision, which Tesla can leverage from its autonomous parking technology. Other companies, they'd have to build this capability from scratch. It can be seen that Tesla's approach focuses on practicality, efficiency, and scalability rather than the flashy demos that are currently unique in the industry. This approach addresses the most challenging issues in the early stages rather than the later ones. As a result, they may seem slow in the beginning compared to the competition, but in reality, they're prepping for something big. Once again, please help us reach 135 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. Tesla Bot's vision system works with the same precision as the technology in Tesla's EVs, allowing cars to detect and avoid obstacles on the road, giving Optimus the ability to analyze and recognize everything around it with high accuracy. As it moves through a home, it can easily identify and navigate objects like pets, furniture, or other obstacles. In more complex industrial environments, like a big Tesla factory filled with machinery and production lines, Optimus can leverage this technology to optimize terrain recognition, map the space, and move fluidly through obstacles, ensuring efficiency and safety. As one of its most basic functionalities, Optimus will be widely used for tasks like carrying and delivering goods at various locations. It'll autonomously analyze people, machinery, and cargo to determine the safest path for movement. One of the most impressive features of Optimus is its ability to detect danger, aided by its advanced computer vision. For example, it can recognize sharp objects left near an area where kids play, or even detect an intruder trying to break into a house. While this might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, it's a clear demonstration of the robot's remarkable potential. Optimus can recognize weapons or track suspicious behavior. When a threat's detected, it can immediately send an alert to contact security services for a timely response. You can't install these cams in every corner of your house, right? That's where a mobile camera-equipped robot comes in handy. Programming a robot to use a computer isn't all that difficult, but when you see Optimus operating a computer, it's easy to envision a different role, a perfect office assistant, never complaining or tiring no matter the workload. In the images shared by Tesla, Optimus not only types on a keyboard, uses a mouse, or holds a smartphone, it can use a pen to write on paper, a complex skill that showcases its exceptional dexterity. These actions not only impressively mimic human behavior, but also open up vast potential for practical applications of its advanced robotic hands. With these capabilities, Optimus could easily become an invaluable office assistant, helping you handle daily tasks quickly and accurately. It could answer emails, contact people to send documents, manage info, even tell you about your work schedule. All this carried out with the greatest of precision, dedication, and never needing a break. Truly a dream for anyone working in an office. My gosh, we want one now. Elon previously stated his production goals for Optimus. To get mass production of robots, the process would be similar to car manufacturing. Right now, the global automotive production capacity is around 100 million cars a year, with approximately 2 billion in use. With an average car lifespan of 20 years, the production of 100 million cars annually keeps the vehicle population scalable. For humanoid robots, their application potential is a lot higher, meaning this could exceed 1 billion robots a year. That sounds a bit exaggerated, but that's the situation right now. We cannot predict exactly what the future holds. We believe that if you buy an Optimus for 30 Gs, you'll quickly recoup that investment if you use it for business purposes. Imagine putting Optimus in a clothing store where it could fold and pack thousands of shirts every day for customers. No need to hire staff anymore. Farms wouldn't need to install complex irrigation systems or hire people to tend the crops if these robots were involved. Or even crazier, it could clean the house, care for the kids, or collect eggs and make sandwiches for the family's breakfast every day without the need for a housekeeper. Because of these possibilities, whether it's as a housekeeper, factory worker, office assistant, sales rep, security guard, chef, even a teacher, it's clear that Optimus is on par with us humans, and sometimes we've got to admit that the AI and the software might even be smarter than we are. As Elon claimed, Tesla is home to the best AI tech in the real world, meaning the company's got a robot brain leading the industry. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.